Do you have 3 factory sites, or even sites located in different cities? Can their radios communicate as if they were in the same facility? The answer is yes. With RoIP gateways, multiple sites can be connected into one unified radio network, enabling cross-site dispatching and emergency coordination. Deploy one gateway at each site. The 3 gateways are connected via a private network, the Internet, or VPN. Existing analog radios, digital radios, and POC radios can all remain in service. No replacement is required. Simply connect them to the local gateway. When a radio at Site A transmits, the audio is received by the local gateway and instantly forwarded to Sites B and C over the IP network. Users at all sites receive the call simultaneously, just as if they were operating on the same radio channel. During equipment failures, production dispatching, or emergency situations, teams across multiple sites can coordinate in real time, reducing communication delays and improving response efficiency. Whether your sites are a few kilometers apart or hundreds of kilometers away, they can operate as one unified radio system. No terminal replacement, no costly network construction, just 3 gateways to achieve seamless voice communication across multiple factory sites.